predict behavior very, very quickly. The surveys that we're doing here are done in 24 to 48 hours, and we can actually change the product assortment for fall of this year.
So these were ties that we were testing, and these results came back in about 24 hours, and the designers at Randa had data on which items would perform well, which items wouldn't perform as well, and how would they perform within each retail channel. So you can see for actually every one of these ties shown on this screen, they would bear a higher price than what Randa originally thought. So what would you do with data like that?
Well, first, to be fair, there's about 20 other ties, and that ranking goes down, so not all ties are going to perform better. But what we look at is the ties where customers take a slider and tell us they would pay more are going to have greater sell-through with less margin erosion, with less dilution. And so we need more inventory of those items. Now, in the neckwear business, as in most of the fashion business, we need an assortment. We can't just put the 3 best sellers up there. So we need to assort it, but if we know that customers are willing to pay a bit less for some of that assortment, we buy less of that inventory. So we do less markdowns on that item, we have higher turns. And in turn, what that leads to is a higher maintained average unit retail for our retail partners and for us. So we end up, without changing the ticket, with a higher average retail because we have a sense before we put product in market what the selling ratios are going to be.